Property managers rely on good software to help them carry out their management tasks to ensure that their business goes according to plan. There are many options out there, but the question here is if TenantCloud is the right one. Not only will we talk about TenantCloud, but we'll also cover a few of the top alternatives. That way, you're covered whether this is your first stop or you've already been shopping around. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a property management expert with DoorLoop, here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but in this video, we will be reviewing TenantCloud so you can decide for yourself if it's the right choice. What is TenantCloud Property Management? TenantCloud is a property management software suite that encapsulates a lot of the functionality landlords, property managers, and service professionals would need to handle in areas such as maintenance request creation, online rent collection, communication, and more. The appeal comes from being able to provide these needs while also being able to help with the associated or supportive tasks such as invoicing, advertising, tenant screening, applicant tracking, and more. The landlord portal provided is very involved, allowing for the scheduling of reminders, initiation of background checks, creation of listing websites, and more. With the overview out of the way, let's look at some of the key features that the application brings to the table. Property listings. Use a simple interface to add your listings and have them displayed through the numerous listing partners. There's even a matching algorithm to help you meet tenants who fit your criteria and vice versa. Applicant management. Set up an electronic application form with all the key pieces of data. Management features are also present to deal with screening, application fees, and more. Tenant move-in. Take advantage of costs and time savings with digital agreements that are lawyer approved and have the move-in process take place electronically with a few clicks. Notices, state-specific documentation, and e-signature functionality are available here. Online payment processing. End-to-end accounting is included, addressing invoices, receipts, transaction history, and more. Categorize logically. You can have rent deposits to your bank account directly, auto pay functionality, and a perfect reporting suite. Online maintenance. Visual maintenance requests from your tenants are supported here, which can be used for equipment and scheduling management with reminders if necessary. Connect with and assign requests to local service pros if you so desire, and track time, labor, supplies, and more as needed. Communication. There's no need for a long or awkward phone call when it comes to TenantCloud. They allow you to use their mobile app, TenantCloud Messenger, the property message board, or even the live feed notifications to stay in touch with tenants when needed. Permissions management. Add team members with role-based access to only what they need and built-in activity tracking. Management fees. Set up and manage automatically calculated fees such as renewals, owner distributions, property reserve fees, and more. So now that you know about their features, let's cover the pricing. The TenantCloud cost structure comes in both a monthly and annual format. If you choose to pay annually, you will be saving 20% when compared to the monthly route. There are 3 plans to choose from, which are as follows. Starter. This will cost you $15.60 per month or $187 if billed annually. Then there's the growth plan. This will cost you $29.30 per month or $352 if billed annually. This plan includes features such as rent payments, maintenance, signature use, premium leads, CRM tax reports, and maintenance. Then there's the growth plan. Subscribing to this plan will be $50 monthly or $480 annually. You'll get everything in the starter tier plus additional features such as property manager, specific tools, management fees, QuickBooks Online Sync, lease builder, property message board, and access to an individual owner portal. And then there's the business plan. You'll need to contact customer support for this one as the pricing will be customized based on your needs. Nevertheless, this tier grants you everything in the growth subscription with the addition of the tasks management, a custom domain, team property permissions, auto refresh for listings, team messaging, and more. There are free version offerings available at the starter and growth tiers. We've now explored what TenantCloud has to offer. As you know, it's not the only property management software platform out there, which means we need to talk about a few of the amazing competitors you should seriously consider. First is DoorLoop. As a property manager or landlord, you have certain base expectations from property management software systems. DoorLoop covers all of these bases while offering additional features as bells and whistles to make your overall experience seamless and rewarding. You can click the link below or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free demo. Let's go over some of DoorLoop's features. Easy multi-property management. There's no problem if you have multiple properties. Simply add new ones with specific details such as the addresses, ownership, property type, and more to keep track of all your holdings. Manage your added properties easily with details such as tenants, applications, tasks, reports, and more. Tenant management. Capture details seamlessly to make the tenant management process a breeze. At a glance, you'll be able to identify the corresponding property, lease terms, deposit, late fees, a copy of the lease, personal information, and more. Online rent collection. DoorLoop accounts for different preferences by accommodating debit, credit, credit card, and ACH payments. The tenant portal even allows your tenants to set up automated payments or manual ones, depending on what fits them best. Maintenance request. This is also easy to manage with DoorLoop, allowing you to easily create and manage your requests and work order. Use details such as the description, priority, due date, assignee, property, subject, reoccurrence, and more to stay on top of it all. Of course, this is only scratching the surface of what DoorLoop can do, and there's no need to pay an arm and a leg for the impressive collection of features DoorLoop offers. You can get started for just $49 a month, and you get everything you need to manage your first 20 properties. You can click the link below or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free demo with a real person, and you'll even get a special discount on your plan for clicking the link and coming from this video. Our second option is AppFolio. AppFolio is an all-in-one property management software option that allows you to manage all your rental properties from a convenient place. There are faculties and different kinds of properties such as residential, commercial, vacation homes, and more. Some of AppFolio's most notable features are an accounting suite, where you can enjoy a series of accounting features such as online rent payments, billing and invoicing, and a late fee calculation. A tenant portal where you can give your tenants an easy way to pay their rent, communicate with you, submit maintenance requests, and more. Communication management. If you're dealing with a multifamily community, HOA, or more, there are committee, event management, and calendar features that you can use to your advantage. The residential core plan is $1.40 per unit per month, and it comes with a minimum $280 monthly fee. And our last option is Simplify EM. Simplify EM is another choice to help property managers handle multiple properties from a convenient interface and can work for any portfolio from small to large. Their features include lease agreement processing, where you can manage the entire leasing process with a few easy steps in a software-based format with forms, late fees, tracking, rent reminders, and more. Maintenance scheduling, where tenants will initiate requests which alert property managers and landlords who can then address them. Scheduled maintenance can also be set up. Property accounting, transaction tracking, reporting, taxation, cash flow, categorization, and more are available here. So let's talk about the pricing. There are 8 tiers that speak to different numbers of properties. It starts with the P10 subscription, where you can manage up to 10 units, and that starts at $35 per month. It goes all the way up to P2000, where you can manage up to 2,000 units at a cost of $2,010 per month. So, which software should you choose? There's nothing wrong with wanting decent features for a reasonable amount, and DoorLoop offers you all of that. There's no reason not to try it and take advantage of the full accounting, maintenance management, owner and tenant portals, online payments, etc. You can schedule a free demo with the link below and see how DoorLoop will transform your business. No matter which option you go with, I hope that this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!